Hello to all you wonderful skaters out there. Hope all of you are keeping safe during this lockdown. I'm Brennen Thomas. I'm an ICP certified skating instructor, teaching since the past 10 years and skating from the past 16 years. Well, skating in a small space can also be fun, and you can learn a lot of skills in your home space. So today I would like to teach you the T-stop, which can be used both at low speeds as well as at high speeds. I will break it up into 5 easy steps for you. This will make your learning effective and your T-stop more powerful. Number 1. Rolling posture. Always make sure you get your feet together before you try to stop. Number 2. Scissors. Extend one foot forward, just like that. Step 3. Shift your weight to your front skate. Step 4. Open up your rear skate. If you have your right foot behind, point your right foot to the right. If you have your left foot behind, point your left foot to the left. Step 5. Let your rear foot drag lightly as you start doing the T-stop. Here are some of the common mistakes you can make while learning the T-break. Not keeping your maximum weight on your front foot, letting your shoulders rotate and you end up in a spin stop. Sticking your stopping foot to your rolling foot. Tips on how you can improve the T-stop. Point your hands straight ahead like Superman. This pushes your shoulders straight towards the direction in which you are rolling. And this in turn prevents your hips from rotating and prevents you from having a spin stop. Number 2. The T-walk. Stand in the T position, keeping your weight on your front leg. Now, push with your rear leg and start dragging it lightly on the floor. Once you come to a halt, push again and repeat the same. Now, if you really want to be a good skater, you should know how to stop with both the right foot and the left foot. Well, I hope these tips were helpful. Stay home, stay safe, and skate safe. Happy skating!